Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Wal-Asr. Inna al-insana lafi khusr. Illa alladhina amanu wa amilu salihat. Wa tawasaw bil-Haqq. Wa tawasaw bil-Sabr. By the time. Indeed, mankind is in loss, except for those who have believed, done righteous deeds, advised each other to the truth, and advised each other to patience.
Stop. Just stop for 3 minutes. If you are feeling anxious, lost, or like your life is just spinning out of control, you aren't alone. We are living in the age of anxiety. We have more technology, more money, and more access to information than any generation in history. But look around. Depression is at an all-time high. Suicide rates are rising. Families are breaking apart. Why? Because we have time, but we are losing the plot. There is a specific chapter in the Quran, just 3 verses long, that holds the entire manual for winning at life. And I promise you, this 1400-year-old advice is the antidote to your 2026 crisis.
Allah swears an oath in this surah by Al-Asr, which means time or the declining day. He says, indeed, mankind is in loss. The word used is khusr, which means total bankruptcy. Not just losing money, but losing your soul, your peace, and your potential. But then, the Quran drops the exception clause, the escape route, and it is only 4 things. Number 1, faith, Iman. You cannot navigate the storm of life without a compass. Faith isn't just saying you believe, it is connecting your heart to the Creator. It is knowing that if you lose everything, you still have Him. That is your anchor. Number 2, righteous action, Amal, Salih. Faith without action is dead. This is the productivity hack of the Quran. If you believe, you must move. Help the poor, pray on time, be kind to your parents. Islam is an action-oriented faith. It demands results.
Number 3, advising truth, Haqq. This is the community factor. You cannot survive alone. We are commanded to remind each other of what is right. In a world filled with fake news and lies, be the person who speaks the truth, even when it is hard. Be the beacon of reality in a sea of delusion. And number 4, advising patience, Sabr. This is the key. The Quran is telling us to remind each other to be patient. Sabr isn't just being patient. It is resilience. It is the power to endure pain without complaining to people, but to cry to God. It is the promise that indeed, with hardship comes ease.
The conclusion.
So, if you are feeling lost today, this surah is your Google Maps. You aren't lost. You just forgot the directions. Remember, believe, act, speak truth, be patient. Do this consistently, and you will turn your loss into a win. If this reminder touched your heart, share it with someone who needs to hear it today. And subscribe for more timeless wisdom. I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.